See, Standard 12th, Maths, Chapter 11, Probability Distributions, Exercise number 11.5, Sum number 7. The mean and standard deviation of a binomial variate XR, respectively, 6 and 2. Find the probability mass function. Second one, P of x equal to 3. Third one is P of x greater than or equal to 2. So, given mean. So, in binomial distribution, mean is given as mean NP is equal to, here given as 6, and they given standard deviation as 2, but variance is here, variance is NPQ. So what about the standard deviation? Square root of the variance, NPQ. Square root of NPQ is equal to 2. Squaring on both sides, you will get NPQ is equal to 2 squared is 4. So take NP as 6, NPQ as 4. So this is first equation, second equation. So second equation divided by first equation. NPQ by NP. Right side you will get 4 by 6. Here NP gets cancelled. Q is equal to 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So Q is 2 by 3. What about P? P is 1 minus Q. So 1 minus 2 by 3. So 3 LCM. 3 minus 2 is 1 by 3. So we have got Q as 2 by 3 and P as 1 by 3. And what about the N value? N is here, NP. First equation gives you NP is equal to 6. So N into P is 1 by 3 is equal to 6. So N equal to 6 into 3. 6 3s are 18. So we have got N as 18, P as 1 by 3, Q as 2 by 3. Let me write the binomial distribution. P of x equal to x, NCx, P power x, Q power n minus x. So first question, find the probability mass function. Just you substitute the values. Here x is not given, but n is equal to 18 Cx. P is 1 by 3, the whole power x. Q is 2 by 3, 18 minus x. 18 minus x. Second question, they ask you P of x equal to 3. So in the above equation, just substitute x as 3. 18C3. 1 by 3, the whole power 3. 2 by 3, the whole power 18 minus 3 is 15. This is the answer. Third question, P of x greater than or equal to 2. So that I replace it as, because n is 18 means x greater than or equal to 2. So it takes 2, 3, 4 up to 18. So that we replace it as the whole thing 1 minus P of x less than 2 equal to yes. So strictly less than 2. So this is equal to 1 minus P of x equal to 0 P of x equal to 0 plus P of x equal to 1. So now substitute here 1 minus P of x equal to 0. So replace x as 0 here, 18C0. P is here 1 by 3 power 0. 2 by 3 power 80 n minus x, that is 18 plus 18C1, 18 P is 1 by 3 the whole power 1, 2 by 3 the whole power 18 minus 1. 18 minus 1 is 17. So this is equal to, just write 1 minus 18C0 is 1. And then anything power 0 is also 1. So you have 2 by 3 the whole power 18 plus 18C1 is 18 into 1 by 3 power 1 by 3. Then 2 by 3 the whole power 17. So 1 minus, take 2 by 3 the whole power 17 as common least power. So you will get 2 by 3 plus, then 3 goes here 6 times, plus 6. So 1 minus 2 by 3 the whole power 17 into, you take 3 as LCM, 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 2, 20 by 3. 20 by 3. So this is the answer for you. Say 8th sum. If x is equivalent to b of n comma p such that 4 p of x equal to 4 equal to p of x equal to 2. First let me write the binomial function. P of x equal to x is ncx p power x, then q power n minus x, that is 1 minus p, we can replace it as q power here. So take the statement p of 4 into p of x equal to 4 is equal to p of x equal to 2. So 4 into p of x equal to 4, p of x equal to 4 here, but here n is given as 6, 6c4, then p power 4, q power 6 minus 4 is 2, then n is 6, 6c2, p power x, p power 2, q power 6 minus 2 is 4. So what is the value of here? See here, 4 into 6 in the combination formula you have learned in 11th standard. NCR is same as NC n minus R. Both are equal. See 6C4, 6C2, 6 minus 2 is 4. Both are same, just you can cancel. 4P4Q squared is equal to Q squared, Q power 4, P squared. P squared, Q power 4. So cancel the common terms here. See P power 4, P squared. So here you will get P squared. But here Q squared, Q power 4. So you will get here Q squared. So 4P squared equal to Q squared. So we know that Q is 1 minus P. So I write as Q as 1 minus P the whole square. So 4P squared is equal to 1 minus 2P plus P squared. 1 minus 2P plus P square. So 4P squared minus 1 plus 2P minus P squared is equal to 0. 4P squared minus P squared is 3P squared plus 2P minus 1 equal to 0. Factorize this. 3 ones are 3 minus 3. So 1 3s are 3. If you subtract you will get 2. So plus 3 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 3 cancel 1 1. So the answer is 3P, add 3 with the denominator numbers. 3P minus 1, here 1 by 1. P plus 1 is equal to 0. So 3P minus 1 equal to 0 or P plus 1 equal to 0. Here P is equal to minus 1. Here 3P is equal to 1. P is equal to 1 by P. So P cannot be a negative value. It is inadmissible. We cannot take this value. Inadmissible. Inadmissible. So you cannot take this. The value of P is equal to 1 by 3. And also, what is Q? 1 minus P. So 1 minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. Okay, we got P answer, Q answer. So find the distribution, mean and the standard deviation. First you find the distribution function, because we know that n is equal to 6, P is equal to 1 by 3, Q is equal to 2 by 3. So distribution function P of x is equal to x. This NCX, P power x, Q power n minus x. N is 6. 6cx. 1 by 3 whole power x. Q power 6 minus x. So what this x value takes? X value takes from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 6, because the n value is 6. Next question, mean. Find mean. NP. So n is here 6 into P is 1 by 3, which is equal to 2. Then next question, find the standard deviation. Find the standard deviation, SD. Standard deviation. This is equal to square root of the variance, NPQ. So square root of 6 into P is 1 by 3, Q is 2 by 3. So this is equal to 3, here it goes 2 times. So square, just 2 times I will get 2, divide by 3, that is square root of 3. So answer is 2 by root 3. See the 9th sum. In a binomial distribution consisting of 5 independent trials, n is 5, the probability of 1 and 2 successes are 0.4096 and 0.2048 respectively. Find the mean and variance of the distribution. So in the binomial distribution, 5 independent trials. So n is equal to 5. And also the probability of 1 and 2 success. That is where x takes the value 1 and x takes the value 2. So distribution function is P of x equal to x, NCX, P power x, Q power n minus x. So here when x is equal to 1, P of x equal to 1, n is here 5, 5c1, P power 1, Q power n is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. This is given as when x is equal to 1, the value is 0.4096. Then, so just simplify this. 5c1 is 5, P Q power 4 is equal to 0.4096. Then take P of x equal to 2. 5c2, P power x, P power 2, Q power 5 minus 2 is 3, which is equal to 0.2048. So 5c2, what is the value of 5c2? 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1, that is 2, 10. The value of 5c2 is equal to 10 p square q power 3 is equal to 0.2048. Mark this as 1 and this as 2. So what I do now, here I divide the second equation by first equation. Second equation by first equation. Second equation is here 10p squared q power 3 is divided by 5p q power 4. This is equal to 0.2048 divided by 0.4096. So here in 10, 5 goes here 2 times. P squared, P goes here 1 time, 2P. Then this is Q cube by Q power 4. So divided by Q is equal to, see actually this number of both the numbers after 4 decimals we keep the point. So here I multiply with 40 number. 40 number, that is 10,000. The decimal will goes off 2048 divided by 4096. Actually this goes one time divided by this 2048, it goes here in 2 times. So answer is 1 by 2. So do the calculation, cross multiplication. 4p is equal to q. Actually what is q? Q is 4p. Q is 1 minus p. So 4p plus p is equal to 1. So 5p is equal to 1. So p is equal to 1 by 5. P is equal to 1 by 5. So what about q? Q is equal to 4p. So 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Now we will answer for the question. The question is find the mean and variance. So mean is equal to NP. So N is 5. P is here 1 by 5. 1 by 5. 5, 5 cancel. You will get 1. Then variance. NPQ. 5 into P is 1 by 5. Q is 4 by 5. So 5, 5 cancel. You will get answer 4 by 5. So this is the answer. With that, this exercise is over. Thank you.